Salon-worthy nails made easy. Get flawless, long-lasting color with Gelish Cream Gel. Smooth, effortless, and perfect for DIY nail lovers. Nail prep is crucial when applying gel polish because it ensures long-lasting wear, prevents lifting, and promotes a smooth application. Push the cuticle back with the cuticle pusher. Trim the cuticle area. Shape the natural nails using the mini nail file in the basics kit. Lightly buff nails using a 101/80 buffer. Cleanse nails with nail surface cleanse and a wipe it off, lint-free wipe. This step is optional. Use Gelish soft gel tips for added length and lightweight natural feel. Size soft gel tips ensure a close fit from side to side, completely covering the nail grooves. Apply pH bond. Apply a coat of tip primer to the underside of all 10 soft gel tips and the natural nail. Apply a small amount of soft gel tip adhesive to the soft gel tip contact area. Place the soft gel tip onto the nail. Start firmly from the cuticle area with constant pressure to the free edge. Flash cure for 5 seconds with Touch Mini LED light. Cure all 5 nails for 45 seconds in the on-the-go LED light. Refine the free edges using the mini grit file and remove the shine using the 101/80 buffer before color application. Remove the dust using nail surface cleanse and wipe it off lint-free wipes. Time to bring those nails to life. Get ready to paint, shine, and create a mani that's as bright and bold as you are. Let's make those colors pop with Gelish Cream Gel. Apply a thin coat of foundation, ensuring to cap the free edge for long-lasting wear. Cure for 5 seconds in the on-the-go LED light. Pick up a small amount of cream gel onto the brush using Tan Nude from the Act Natural palette, just enough to coat the nail evenly without excess product. Start at the center of the nail, gently pushing the product toward the cuticle while keeping a slight gap for a clean, precise cuticle line. Use light, even strokes to cover the entire nail, capping the free edge. Cure for 45 seconds in the on-the-go LED light. Repeat for full coverage. Use less pressure when applying the second coat to avoid streaks or uneven texture. The brush should lightly glide over the first cured layer for a smooth, self-leveling effect. Cure for 45 seconds. Before applying another color, make sure to wipe the cream gel brush with nail surface cleanse to remove excess product. This will ensure that additional colors do not blend during the next color application. Using the cream gel neon and on palette, pick up neon red with a dotting tool and create 2 circles to form cherries. Flash cure for 5 seconds in the on-the-go LED light. Using neon green and a striper brush, draw the cherry stems. For a richer shade or look, try mixing a small amount of neon blue into neon green before applying. For a glossy and realistic look, use white cream gel, Act Natural palette, and a striper brush, and add a small line along the cherry design. This will give depth to the design and a more realistic look. On the remaining nails, use neon red, a striper brush, and the cream gel brush to create precise French tips. Only 1 coat is needed for cream gels. Cure for 45 seconds. Once your design is complete, apply Top It Off, making sure to cap the free edge. Cure for 45 seconds and remove the inhibition layer with nail surface cleanse and a lint-free nail wipe. Finish with Nourish with hyaluronic acid cuticle oil for hydration and shine. Try it yourself and show off your flawless nails. Don't forget to tag us in your looks.